Monitoring and optimization with VMware Aria Operations. Effective cloud and infrastructure management requires continuous monitoring, proactive optimization, and intelligent analytics to ensure performance, availability, and cost efficiency. VMware Aria Operations, formerly known as vRealize Operations, is an AI-driven cloud management solution that helps organizations monitor, optimize, and automate IT operations across private, hybrid, and multi-cloud environments. By leveraging real-time data analytics, predictive intelligence, and automation, VMware Aria Operations enhances resource utilization, improves workload performance, and ensures compliance with operational and security standards. At the core of VMware Aria Operations is its advanced monitoring and analytics engine, which collects performance data from virtual machines, applications, storage, and networking components. The platform uses machine learning and AI-powered insights to detect anomalies, identify performance bottlenecks, and predict capacity needs. This enables IT teams to proactively address potential issues before they impact business operations, ensuring consistent application performance and high availability. VMware Aria Operations also provides real-time dashboards and customizable reports that give IT administrators a comprehensive view of infrastructure health, resource consumption, and system performance. The platform enables automated workload balancing by dynamically adjusting resource allocation based on real-time demand. With built-in capacity planning tools, organizations can forecast infrastructure growth, optimize resource provisioning, and prevent over-provisioning or underutilization of cloud resources. In addition to performance monitoring, VMware Aria Operations integrates with VMware Aria Cost to provide cost visibility and optimization recommendations. Organizations can track cloud spending, identify inefficiencies, and implement cost-saving strategies across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and private clouds. By analyzing historical trends and current usage patterns, VMware Aria Operations helps businesses make data-driven decisions to improve financial efficiency while maintaining high service levels. Security and compliance are critical aspects of cloud management, and VMware Aria Operations ensures continuous compliance monitoring by detecting misconfigurations, enforcing security policies, and generating audit-ready reports. The platform integrates with VMware NSX and other security solutions to provide end-to-end visibility into network security posture, helping organizations reduce vulnerabilities and prevent security breaches. VMware Aria Operations also supports application-centric monitoring, allowing DevOps and IT teams to gain deep insights into application performance, dependencies, and infrastructure relationships. The platform integrates with Kubernetes, Tanzu, and containerized environments to monitor microservices, identify slow-running applications, and optimize workloads for better efficiency. By implementing VMware Aria Operations, businesses can achieve intelligent, automated cloud operations that enhance performance, reduce operational complexity, and optimize costs. Let's continue to next section.